I'm a real big fan of yours, but I'm quite the joke to you. But girl, it wasn't a joke when you kissed me in your room and replied, I love you too. I'm a little bit insecure from all of this mistreatment, but see, I'm working it out. It's so damn hard when you're alone. Sha ta ta da ta da ta da 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 da.